Hey everyone, welcome back to Bumblebee Kid Toys. I have a fun Minions tin box to open up for you today. It's filled with lots of fun surprises. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so here is the Minions tin box. We have a lot of Minion characters on the outside of the box. Isn't it super cute? Now let me open it up. Wow, look at all this. We have confetti and lots of cute surprises. Ooh, we have a surprise egg. And what do we have here? We have a Trolls flyer and a Trolls character. He's all glittery and sparkly with this turquoise color hair. Let's see if this character's inside the flyer. And here it is. We have this magenta colored troll. Alright, now let's move on to our next surprise. I see a pink Shopkins present. We have some confetti and a Shopkin. This looks like a small can of soda. Here it is under PJ Party, fizzy soda. Let's see what other surprises are in the tin box. Ooh, look at this. It's a Cars Ooshies blind bag. There are 40 characters to collect. And this is Series 1. Here's the flyer. And here's the character. It's a yellow car. Let's see if I can find it on the flyer. Ooh, I think I found it. This guy's name is Cruz Ramirez. Let's pick out our next surprise to open. Here we have a Despicable Me Minis blind bag. Let's get this opened up. Inside we have a flyer and a character bag. I wonder which character we're gonna get. Look at this little minion. He has a honeycomb stuck on his head. Let's see where this minion is on the flyer. Here it is, under Mower Minion. We have Beehive Minion. That's a silly minion. Alright, just a couple surprises left to open. We have a Play-Doh can here. I see confetti and a Monster High Mini. This one is purple with a cute little paw print pattern. Let's see where she is on the flyer. Oh, here she is on the number 9 category, Pattern Ghouls. And we're left with one surprise. It's a Shopkins 3-in-1 candy dispenser. This box says it includes 4 exclusive Shopkins flavors. Here we have a flyer. And this flyer is for playing a game. And what is this other one? Oh, love. And here is the one we got. spooky cookie. They have so many cute ones to collect. Alright, so let me get this candy dispenser open so we can try some of the flavors. Wow, there are lots of candies in here. We have some red, some green, some pink, and some blue ones. All 4 flavors are listed on here. The red one is Berry Blast. That definitely tastes very berry. We have the green one, which is Fruit Swirl. Let's see what that one tastes like. Yum, that was fruity. We have Tropical Freeze. That one was yummy too. And the last one, Bubble Yum. That definitely tasted like a bubble gum. Wow, you guys, look at all the fun surprises that we opened up today in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Bumblebee Kid Toys channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!